In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a field in Airtable. If you're new to Airtable, or even if you're just looking to optimize how you organize your data, this process can really enhance your workflow. So let's jump into it and I'll guide you through each step with ease and clarity. First, the adventure begins on the official Airtable website. You can access it by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to airtable.com. Airtable is an incredibly versatile platform designed for building next-gen applications. Whether it's managing projects, tracking inventories, or anything else you can think of, Airtable is packed with tools to help you out. Once you've landed on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do so now, but for those with credentials, it's as easy as entering your email and password to gain access to your dashboard. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Airtable home. This is your starting point for accessing all your bases and tables. Think of it like your command center where you can see an overview of your projects. Now that you're at the Airtable home, go ahead and click on the appropriate base that you want to work with. A base, simply put, is like a file in Airtable where you store your tables that are related to a specific project or purpose. With your chosen base open, you'll see all the tables that belong to it. Our goal today is to link fields, and for that we first need to create a new field. Look for the option labeled Add Field. You'll typically find this option within the table once you've clicked into it. This action allows you to define new columns of information or data points in your table. After deciding to add a new field, a dialog box will offer you several field type options. What we're specifically interested in is the ability to link this new field to another record. Therefore, within the field type dropdown, you'll find an option called Link to Another Record. Click on this option and voila, you're ready to link your data. This capability to link records is really powerful, as it allows you to connect pieces of information from one table to another, forming relationships and connections within your data. This means less repetition and more consistency across your workflow. With these simple steps, you've now linked a field in Airtable. Explore and experiment to see how this integration can streamline your projects and boost your productivity. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to keep an eye out for more guides to becoming an Airtable Pro.